Kompeni Rong ke bahaya tamha India ke Asian Paint kalau Plie ke Dukan berningkong kepala ai kerteng ke Beautiful Homes Shillong bat kani ke Dukan ke badan Halokyo Road Kari Khana kani ke Dukan themai ke don ikitiar ki bakham phla kata ke bahaya hap kat kum gene ke juk ke bamenta la Plie ba ya kani ke Dukan do Amit Sinjal Managing Director bu CEO ke Asian Paint kani ke Dukan ke don ke jingkelo hado 1,000 aspa square foot bat pinsyam ru ki jingdon kam hayeng kum ki Rong ki jaga som ki jing sang kejan ki jing pedon kam ha ki yin shat ja ki me ki shuki bat ki we kane ka dukan ka biang lut na dong shodong kat kum ka jing don kam ha kane ka juk ka ba menta ki nong thiet ki la ban jet ki tiar ki ba i biang na ta ka yeng jok ki bat ka beautiful home ka ai ru ki jing mut bat ka jing pen shai ya ki nong thiet ha ka be dei ba ka jing pen itnat ba ka jing pen wandur ya ka yeng jok ki
आइए सब हाथ लगाएंगे सर आप भी आइए हाथ लगाइए सब आइए सर आ जाइए सर ये तो एक ऐसा ऑस्पिशियस ओकेजन है जब कांग्रेचुलेशंस थैंक यू
स्टॉक रूम में कोई बैठा उनको भी
very oldest company in our country, but earlier on one symbol, one boy is taking the brush. This is the historical symbol. Why is changing so suddenly? Because everyone is asking.
So according to us, today Asian Paints has evolved over the last 8 decades, and as you can see that we are now moving from something which we call as the share of surface to a share of space. So we are going away from just the 4 walls, but we are talking about the space within the 4 walls in the homes to that extent. So Asian Paints is also transforming over the years, and now we are talking of homes in a very, very strong way. So what we have done is that we have a new visual identity which has come in, which is A and P coming together, which is almost a sign of infinity, which shows infinite opportunities which are there, and that is something which we have appropriated going forward. And as that part of it, we have looked at home decor very, very strongly. So our earlier symbol of Gattu is still there. It is still coming on the cans if you see intently. So we have not dropped any symbol to that extent. It's just that now, given the new area, contemporary designs, other things which we have entered, we have looked at appropriating home decor in a very, very strong manner, in which paints and coatings are a part of that whole entire home decor in terms of what we have taken. So what you see today is a beautiful home stores which has come. This is the first mega store, which is what we call as the beautiful home stores, which has come in Northeast, and it has almost more than 10 to 12 categories which are housed of home decor under one roof. So traditionally what we call this store is the decor under one roof, and this is something which is a store which is really a tech store, which is a contemporary store which we see really in sync with the times, because this store has a physical layout and it has also a digital footprint which is very, very strong. So we think for the customers of Northeast, not only Shillong, we see it is a very, very big initiative where the customers will get a very, very big opportunity to visualize their homes and then see how they can decorate their homes with the best of the categories in bath, kitchen, lighting, paints, furnishing, furniture, and so many other categories like flooring, tiles, and so on and so forth, which has come in. So we feel that it's a very, very important milestone for Northeast, and especially our relationship with this agency where we have been working for a very, very long time, and we are thankful to the proprietor, Mr. Anil Bajaj, for really partnering this thing with Asian Paints so that we can give to the people of Northeast this beautiful store, which is what we call as decor under one roof.
So is this the only one store in the whole Northeast?
So Northeast, it is the first of the stores which has come in. At an India level, we have about 50 stores which are there now today working in various states across the country. So this is something which we feel that for Northeast it's a big startup which is happening so that it can give the people an opportunity to really decorate their homes and really look at visualization in a very different way with decor under one roof.
So if I may ask, what makes you choose Shillong rather than Assam being the biggest state?
So we feel that today the way the development is taking place in Northeast, I think Shillong is very much up there from a point of view of offering people a very, very strong opportunity. We see that it attracts a range of people from in and around to that extent. So I think from a start point of view, it is a very, very good area which we think which can cater to a large geography, and therefore we felt that this is an appropriate place to kind of put the beautiful home stores so that we can cater to a large area in Northeast as we start looking at other areas in future.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.